Do not miss this opportunity to own this adorable, move-in ready basement rancher. This home features 4 beds and 3 baths, beautiful hardwood floors, and amazing details such as fireplace and eat-in kitchen, neutral paint colors, and granite kitchen countertops. The spacious floor plan offers plenty of room for a growing family or for entertaining guests. Enjoy some outdoor time on your front porch or watch your kids or pets run around in the spacious backyard. This home is literally minutes from shopping and dining and is located in an amazing school zone.